What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another edition of All Things Driving. If you're new to the channel, I'm your host as always, Rashid White. All right, this comes from Florida, and you guys see the actual graphics and the title of the show. Grandma crashes out. I mean, she goes berserk on these police officers that actually pulled her over for, I believe, is actually blowing a stop sign. This video actually comes from Police Talk Memes. I got this one off of Facebook, so let's check it out and let's see exactly what happens.
You rode through those two stop signs back there.
I did not. I did not.
It didn't seem like you came to a complete stop.
Come on, guys. I have two cats I gotta go feed, okay? I have $100 in my pocket. Please, don't harass me. What? Well, I hope not.
Alright, so when you come to a stop sign, you have to come to a complete stop. And I believe it's about 3 seconds, and then you can actually move. So most people, and I observed this myself, and I even do it myself a lot of times, will stop and the car is like, moving, and then we actually go, and the police can actually pull you over for that.
I don't even know who you are. You have a registration insurance?
Of course I do. I just got a new sticker on the back of my car. Hey, I just was at a party, okay?
Relax. Okay, I asked for it.
Just for the record, a Charlotte County cop busted my tailbone and I got a lawsuit against him, so do not get me in any more trouble. The manhandled by these Charlotte County cops, so don't go there. I do not need to be harassed for any fucking reason at all.
Ooh, the mouth. Ooh.
No, it's the meanest town in the world. I'm trying to. My house is up for sale. I do nothing. God damn you people. No, I'm harassed every fucking minute since I moved to Florida 3 years ago.
So there's a lawyer that's on Facebook. I forgot his name, but he said he actually had to move out of Florida because of a lot of these small towns in Florida just really ridiculous about pulling people over. Now you gotta understand that these small towns really thrive on those regular traffic infractions. There's one on Coral Springs, and then they show the police officers pulling people over. And this one cop, he actually shows he tells you on video how much these people actually have to pay, in terms of like traffic offenses, and some of the fines are $280, and they're speeding in the work zone $516. So you figure if he pulls over 15, 20 something people a day, I mean that's a lot of money for the town right there, man. So just try to be careful in these little small towns.
You did not. You're a liar. Prove it. Okay, I'm trying to find my insurance. I have it. It's all up to date. I just paid it. I just got it in the mail.
Oh, she is a mess right now.
Come on, guys. I want to go home and feed my cats. Please. I did nothing. Don't you have anything else to do tonight?
So you don't have your proof of registration?
I do! Find it. Here, look for it. Honey, my son-in-law killed himself 2 months ago. And I am confused, okay? My life is a mess. Look at my car. I didn't do anything wrong. I did nothing
I think
wrong.
that's your registration right there.
I'm trying! Quit harassing me. You got your cameras on? I hope so.
Absolutely.
They better be. Don't you have anything better to do tonight? You are not doing your job.
Alright, so for the most part, you shouldn't talk to the police like this, right? Because they will definitely remember you. and you know, I live in like the New York City. Well, I used to live in New York City, and like outside of New York City, you can actually negotiate with the prosecutor. I believe it's been a long time since I actually got a ticket, but let's say they can actually take the stop sign infraction and turn it into a parking ticket. But when you start cursing the cops out like this, it's like they'll come in and say, hey, there's no deals for her at all. Because I actually mouthed off to one of these a Port Authority cop before, saying the same thing. You don't got anything else better to do? And he actually pulled me over, like, legitimately, like it was false. I mean, he had no reason to. Well, he said I did something, but I didn't do it. And I said the same thing to him. You ain't got anything else better to do? When I got into court, they said no deals for me. So yeah, don't do this. Just try to be as polite as possible to the officers. You know, I get it. I understand why she's angry. And me just watching this, them actually like get on this late. Now we don't know, right? We don't actually have the whole video of her actually, you know, like blowing the stop sign or anything like that. She could have almost caused an accident. Like she blew two of them, it says, and who knows, right? So let me continue with this video here.
No, you are not. You're harassing a grandma whose son-in-law killed himself because the fucking government shut down the crisis center. My life sucks. Thank you, everyone. My daughter now has no husband. My grandkids have no dad. You want me to try to find something? All I'm trying to do is go home 3 blocks away. You're harassing me. I do not deserve to be pulled over here for no reason at all. You guys have nothing better to do. Come on, god damn you people. Mom, help me. I didn't do anything to be pulled over. Charlotte County sucks. I am trying to go home. You won't let me.
You're about to come out of the car. You can't calm down, okay?
Really? Why would you do that to me?
Because I don't know what you have in the car.
Okay, here.
You're free.
I have nothing. No, you're harassing me.
Listen, you need to calm down.
I don't need to calm down. You need to get in your fucking cop car and go away. I did nothing wrong. Nothing. Stupid son of a bitch. Charlotte County sucks. I cannot wait to sell my house and get the fuck out of Florida. You people are meaner than anywhere I'd ever consider retiring. You're mean. Just because you want to be. Look at that stupid punk face you got. And I'm the one who's wrong. People fuck my life every minute that you can.
You said did you renew your insurance?
Honey, I did. God damn you, it's Kemper.
Yeah, the economy's bad out there, man. If you look at the price of everything, the price of eggs, I mean, just the price of everything, it's tough for these senior citizens out here. I hate to see these cops really bothering her. If I'm an officer, I would just let her go, man. The thing that really kind of gets me upset about this is that they wouldn't, if this was their grandmother they were pulling over, they wouldn't really be doing this, so they would let her go. You know, or their mother, right? I mean, just like, she really just needs some counseling, some therapy. You know, she's been through a lot. You can tell that she's let me finish this up here.
God! Shut up! Mister! Okay, here. Here, I got it, right here. Here it is. Finally. Yes, it is. Go away. God damn it! My son-in-law killed himself for you son of a bitches! God damn you! My daughter has no husband, my grandkids have no dad, because you fucking Trumpsters are assholes! Get off my back! God damn it, I just want to go home and feed my cat!
I mean, she's blaming Trump for all this? I don't know.
I didn't do anything wrong. If I rode through a stop sign in
Yeah, and to me, if she didn't put anyone's life in danger, just let it go, man. Jesus, some of these cops, man.
Please! Quit it! What does it look like?
Your registration, where is it?
Why are you doing this to me?
Show you the
Why are you doing this to me?
I saw it for a split second.
I did nothing! Fuck you! There!
That's not your registration.
You
It isn't!
you had your registration.
That's not my registration!
I would just give her the damn ticket for no registration. I mean, just leave this woman. I don't even know what to even say over here, man. This is crazy.
Am I there?
That's just the notice. It comes with a piece of paper. I saw you had it in there somewhere. I think it's
Okay,
right.
where
I
is
think it's right there.
Here, show me which one it is. Please.
I'm
Which fucking piece of paper is it that I can get the fuck out of here and go home and feed my cat? You people are harassing me. You said I have one.
I thought I saw one.
All right, tips for actually not being pulled over at stop signs, right? Most of these cops are going to sit like on the side of the road. So let's say if you have like a two-way street, it could be on the right side or left side. If they're sitting there, right, then more than likely they're looking for people actually rolling through stop signs. Also, check your mirrors every 3 to 5 seconds. Know what exactly is behind you. I've seen videos of people texting on the phone, and there's cops in like marked vehicles, not just unmarked vehicles, marked vehicles, and they just texting, holding the phone while they're actually driving right next to the police officer. So always like keep your eyes moving, know exactly what's going on around you, right? I'm a professional driver, so I drive 10 hours a day. So yeah, man, I kind of do this for like a living, just knowing exactly what's around me, how fast people are actually going, and just understanding the police officers' hiding spots. Now, if it's an unmarked vehicle that you actually do this in, then all right, whatever. But marked vehicles, you should know exactly what's behind you. Check your mirrors, and also check the little side streets. If they're sitting there, sometimes they could be sitting maybe a car. You just gotta really, really look. The easiest thing is actually just following the damn laws. Driving is not hard. You can actually, it's not like, this is not hard stuff, man. Come to a complete stop. Make sure the car is completely stopped. It takes 2 seconds, and then you actually go. You don't speed, right? I used to actually get pulled over a lot. I got tired of actually paying tickets and then getting lawyers and paying $600-700 to fight these damn tickets. And the last time I got pulled over was like 5 or 6 years ago. I think I was driving in the bus lane or something like that. But other than that, I don't get pulled over anymore. For the most part, just like follow the damn traffic laws. Signal when you make lane changes, right? Simple stuff. Don't speed, but if you do speed, don't be doing 25 miles an hour. This really kind of like triggers them. Do like between 7 and 10 miles over the speed limit, right? Normally most cops won't bother you for that. The difference between 25 miles an hour and 10 miles over the speed limit, like in terms of you getting to your destination, is mere minutes, right? You're not getting there hours faster. You're only getting there mere minutes faster. So just for the most part, try to follow all the traffic laws. Read the signs, read every single traffic sign that's out there. Yeah, we'll do more of these kind of videos, and I'll actually really kind of like break it down on how these cops, because I drive, I got over like 3 million miles of driving, man. So I pretty much know all the cops' tactics and everything, and how they try to pull people over. Especially you have to watch in the AM rush hour, man. When people are trying to get to work, oh man, they're out there, man. Like if you're making a let's say an illegal left turn, so you have one left turning lane, and there's a lane that's going straight, and then you actually make that left turn on the lane that's actually going straight. Usually there's a cop just standing right there. So before you actually make that turn, right, just take a sneak peek and see if there's a cop waiting there, If he's sitting there outside the car, he's looking for people actually making that illegal left turn. So just keep going straight. All right, let's finish this video up.
Well, you thought it was. Okay, what does it look like? You people are fucking harassing me. I don't have my reading glasses on. I just put it on my car today. Oh my God, I just put it on my car. Ah, you fucking asshole.
Ooh.
I just put it on the car yesterday. How dare you? You made a crime.
Get out.
I did.
All right, so I sped this up for the sake of time. So she gets really frustrated, and then she just drives off, and she's not really permitted to do that. That is a felony when you actually drive off from the police. And normally they're pulling guns out on you, but really they don't really perceive this woman as a deadly threat. So I don't think they're really going to do that. But she does get arrested.
On 17 Central, that female just left my traffic stop. I have her driver's license, and if you want to go ahead and run her.
Nothing wrong. I did not commit a crime. I did not commit a crime.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You just committed a felony right now.
I did not commit a crime. No, I did not commit a crime.
Get out.
I did not commit a crime.
Get out.
I did not
Get out of
commit
the
a
car.
crime.
Get out of the
I
car.
did not commit a crime. No.
Get out of the car.
Are you fucking kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me?
What's that?
What did I do? What did I do? Nothing. Come on, guys.
Give me his hand.
Oh, come on, guys. My cats are
Give me
crying.
his hand.
Do you guys have any compassion at all?
Give me this hand.
Please.
Give me this hand.
Wait.
Give me this hand.
No, please.
Yes. Give me the hand.
Can we just take a breath?
Absolutely. When you give me your hand.
Honey. Stop.
There you go.
Please, I've already been in jail with your cat.
Probably going
I
back.
don't deserve it. I did not deserve it. I did nothing wrong. I did nothing wrong.
Yeah, hopefully the judge actually looks at this video. I'm going to end it right here and then just order her to get some therapy pretty much, and especially if she actually been through traumatic phases in her life. Women, the emotional memory portion of the brain is a lot bigger than males. Like our brains, male and female brains are wired differently. And, you know, when it comes to negative stuff, you know, like maybe she said her son-in-law killed himself. Maybe that was devastating to her, and she didn't get the counseling or the therapy that she really needed. So hopefully the judge actually sees this and ordered her to that. And you know, she needs to talk to someone, right? That's what really needs to happen here, man. So I will wrap this video up. Definitely like, comment, subscribe. Certainly share the video. And when you share, the universe certainly shares back with you. Peace.